So let's review how to set auto text. Auto text is incredibly versatile. It helps with documentation, and with it, it can standardize your approach to managing disease, documenting processes like family meetings or your procedures, or even handling things like attestation for student note review. To accelerate your auto text setup, what you can do is copy existing templates that exist, created by colleagues, or from the public database. Go to auto text copy, and you can look for, using last name, comma, first name, colleagues that have tons of auto text already built. You can see Dr. Lacratera here has a long list of auto texts. You can review each one, or you can select all and copy. Just note right now, when you do the select all and copy, you have to exit and then reload the system again for those changes to take effect. Once we upgrade, you won't need to. You can also dig through the public library. You can enter that here through this Manage Auto Text button, and you can also access that on your documentation areas through this button on the far right saying Manage Auto Text. From there, enter in, and you'll see all the phrases that you've set up for yourself. You can dig into public phrases and things that have been set up with the domain. When you find an auto text that you like and you want to modify, you can hit. You can see a couple things here. When you use underscores, what this allows you to do is, as you're documenting, hit F3 and it'll cycle through the multiple underscores that you've created. When you see a little drop down here, that's created with this drop list here, where you can then pre-complete different components of documentation, helping to both standardize but maintain approaches and variability to your documentation and treatments. This is a really useful way to get standard processes in place. You can see here I've set it up for many disease states, like how I manage AFib, CHF, COPD. I've got checklists built in here for myself. I've got my daily physical exam that I've built in with things that I want to make sure I check off each time. And you can also include different labs. You can include different vitals, or you can even include things like the attestation for student documentation. One of the last benefits I want to highlight is that once you've built this library, your colleagues can also look in the auto text copy area and pull notes from you. And if you have a student or resident rotating with you, they can also pick up your practices and your workflows very quickly through auto text copy.